Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So Wall Street, this has been the worst first half of the stock market in over 50 years, guys, and it's getting crazier and crazier. The Feds has now signaled recession is now here. Over 1 in 3 Americans that's earning over $250,000 each year are living paycheck to paycheck. So that lets you know right there, for the people that's earning 30,000 and 50,000, what they living. They not even living paycheck to paycheck. They, soon as they get paid, that first, second day, they money gone, and they looking for more money to help survive them through the remainder of the week. But like we know, guys, a lot of that has to do with piss poor management skills. I talked about that in yesterday's video. A lot of people, they creep up like inflation. As they make more money, their lifestyle creep up, and they want to spend more money. So that's basically that's a problem that we have to realize and fix ourselves. So anyways, guys, let's go and take a look at it, because the market is booming on this Friday. If you notice, the last couple Fridays, the last past Fridays, the market usually would sell off. It'll pull back. A lot of day traders, short-term investors, with all the uncertainty in the economy, they'll be getting out of positions and holding cash, waiting for the market to digest and choose a direction before putting their hard-earned money on the line. But usually, like I told you guys, whenever the market is at significant lows like we've been experiencing and the lows that we at, usually people will go over the weekend holding the play, because they feel as if, it could be a crazy morning, pre-market run up, it's near the bottom. Even if it's going to come down lower, they believe anticipation on a spike short term is about to happen, where they could make 20, 30, 40%, or if they doing options, even more on their money for a short period of time. Get out, rinse, and repeat, guys. Because if you notice, a lot of the plays that we had called out on the week prior, we had done, made our money on those plays. Upstart, Coinbase, all those plays that ran up to 40, 50, some on $60, and cut right back in half. Like Coinbase ran up to about 60, and now it's came back to 45 the other day. A lot of, that was an easy entry exit play, even though I'm expecting for it to go lower, because Bitcoin is going to go lower. I do believe in between time, Bitcoin is going to pop. Like I say, like we say, how it just came down to 18,000 and went to 21,000. That's a $5,000, fluctuation. But like I say, guys, be prepared for that. Just as the overall market, be prepared for the spikes in between that's going to happen, like we experiencing now. A lot of people are going to be left confused, like, dang, man, we had a crazy week all week bleeding, and then on Friday, when I'm shorting the market, is a lot of people shorting today. Right when I'm shorting the market, it want to reverse. Like, what's going on? Leave them confused. But it's like, I just now talked about this in yesterday's video. I told you guys, prepare for this. Once the Feds, they start running out of steam, they start losing control, because the market is already being hammered and hit so hard. It's not too much manipulation y'all could put on it anymore, because where else is it left to go when you got stocks that don't fell from 400 to 30, stocks that fell from 200 to 20, you got stocks that fell from 3,000 to 300. So it's like, where else are you going to go? So you already know, guys, like we know, AMC definitely is, they either losing control, they either about to let it run, or whatever the case may be. That cash is probably drying up, because it costs them more and more to short AMC, and it's also, costing them every single day as they continue to hold out those positions, guys. The TV not working? Okay, I'm coming. Go ahead, I'm coming, okay? It also costing them money every single day to hold out those positions, guys. So as we know, go ahead, mama, I'm coming. I'm coming, baby. Oh, you want to stay out here? Stay out here then. So as you guys know, AMC is trying to start back and be that hedge against inflation. If you notice, 2 days out of the week, as the market was pulling back, all last week the market was doing well. AMC was pulling back, lagging behind. They was further manipulating us. But this week, as the market was pulling back, they let AMC run twice. They didn't let us run all week like we should have, since the market did its thing all last week while we stayed down and out. AMC could have been running this week while the market was down and out. But anyways, guys, they keep doing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. I wouldn't mind if they go ahead and let us be on our own algorithm to hedge against inflation and on the opposite direction of the overall market, because the market crashing and what we're going through right now could be the perfect storm for AMC, guys. So as we know, we was moving on the opposite direction as the overall market twice this week. Now on Friday, we seem to be moving with the overall market again. The overall market having a little comeback. AMC doing this little thing as well, guys. We see we held up in the low 13, high $12 range all week, which is a great sign, guys. We didn't hold up at that 13.50 where we want to hold up at, but we keep getting back to that area very quickly, guys. So you already know, once we run back up to this 14s and can hold the 14s and then go to the 15s, it's going to be a lot of people starting to FOMO back in. We already know how they get. They just be on the sideline, not believing in AMC, not thinking it's going to do nothing. As soon as it starts to get traction, build traction, that's when they start to get hyped and want to buy in again, guys. And that's why we have so much volatility from the options, from day traders, from people just trying to piggyback, waiting on movements to get in. Then that's why they'll send it up and have to bring it right back down, because the market isn't made to be easy. And for all those people that's just sitting on piles of cash waiting to get in for a short period of time, the market going to play those psychological games and bring it right back down soon as we get our gains, because people is trying to piggyback off of us. So you already know, guys, what to do. Like I say, add your boy on Instagram at the BH Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.